Good day everyone. So today we're going to talk about the procedures on how to make magnetic levitating small metal object. So the first procedure is putting the glue on the magnet and pasting it on the small illustration board. And the second procedure is putting the other stick on the stick that is on the illustration board.
In the third procedure, I have a small metal object that is tied on the string. After that, we also tied it on the stick and glue it together so it won't fall off. And that's how we made our magnetic levitation. Thank you.